Namaste, friends, and welcome to another Power Up session. Your perfect way to take a 5-minute break and increase your energy, focus the mind, and improve your overall productivity. Today, we're going to be doing a series of Kriya, a series of purifying actions to really supercharge our vital energy. Okay, we'll get into it with warming the spine with Sufi Grind. So come into a cross-legged position, hands on the knees, lean forward, rotate towards the right, round back, left and forward, drawing as big of circles as you can from the waistline. Inhaling as you come forward, opening the chest. Exhaling as you round back. Breath and body move together. Inhaling forward, opening the front. Exhale back, rounding. Keep the chin parallel with the floor through this movement so you get this benefit of the rotation from the base of the spine all the way up into the throat. Speed is completely up to you. Go with what feels comfortable. What do you need now? You need to be soft, gentle, slow. You need to be fast and wake up. Whatever feels right is perfect. Beautiful. The next time you come to the front, switch directions, opposite direction. Still inhaling forward, exhaling back, waking up the whole spine. I know we spend a lot of time working on the spine because through the spine, our entire central nervous system reaches from the mind to the rest of the body, from the body back to the rest of the mind. In Kundalini Yoga, they say when the spine is flexible, the mind stays young and flexible. And probably you can see it in your own life. When you can move easily, you feel vital, you feel you can take on the world. So let's do this daily to make sure that we stay vital, flexible, free. Take a deep inhalation, sit nice and tall. Fill the lungs as much as you can. Hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, contract the genitals and anus. Turn the eyes up to the middle of the forehead. Shambhavi Mudra. Focus on this energy rising up the spine. Send it up, send it up. And release, relax. Beautiful. Feeling those tiny vibrations through the body as we open the energetic channels, awaken the nervous system. Let's continue this process by coming into a wide-legged stance for life nerve stretch. Legs are wide, feet are flexed. Inhale center, exhale down to the left. Inhale center, exhale down to the right. 1 minute on the clock. Let's go. Again, your practice, your body, your moment in this life. So find the pace that's right for you. Find the rhythm that works. You can go slow, gentle. You can go fast, fiery. Everything is allowed. Everything is great. Inhale to center. Hold the breath. Squeeze the genitals. Gazes up. Send the energy up. Focus on the energy rising up the spine all the way to the top of the head. And relax. Yes, feel that flow of energy through your body. Beautiful. We've got one more practice for today. And if you've been following me on Refeel Yoga for some time, you're going to know we're in for a treat. We're going to do what's known as frogs. It's a very dynamic pose, really energizing, very vitalizing. I love it. Think you're going to love it too. What we're going to do is we're going to come into a squatting position where we want the knees open and the heels are touching. Okay, the heels stay up and touching the whole time. Fingers are on the floor in front of us. From here, we're going to inhale, straightening the legs, looking down. Then we're going to exhale, dropping back into the frog pose. We're going to do this for 1 minute. If you have any difficulties with the knees, go slow, go gentle. If you feel it's time to go slow, go gentle. If you want to, let's go for it. 1 minute on the clock. Inhale to straighten the legs. Exhale down and continue. And come down to the squat. Take a deep inhalation. Hold the breath. Squeeze Mulabandha. Turn the eyes up. And relax. Come down to sitting. Eyes closed. Attention inside. Feeling the movement of vital energy throughout your body. Activation of the heart and lungs. Strengthening the cardiovascular system. Increasing your energetic potential. Beautiful work today. Thank you so much for joining me for this power up session. If you enjoyed it, please like the video. Let me know in the comment section below how it was for you. I gotta catch my breath. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next power up session. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.